treat her like a dog, beat her like a dog, beat her to my dog, they gon' knock out her walls. I'm a ball, I'm a hog, call me a big dog. I'ma treat her like a dog, beat her like a dog, beat her to my dog, they gon' knock out her walls. I'm a dog, I'm a hog, call me a big dog. I'm always calling, I'm a big dog, you see, true G. I love acting hoes and give me satisfaction. And watch me hold the clip, flip, hanging off the butt, trucking deuce out the Hollywood. Ballin' hard with my juice, doing what big dogs do. Bitch ain't money to do, what us big dogs do. It ain't easy fucking with this dope game, nigga, I thought you knew. I had your hoe at the moat, giving head to the crew. We act the hoe, she's a dog, she ain't get no loot. I GLB and WC, we left her walls loose. Or you can catch me on that bottle, get off all the fire. With a chopper bigger than Bruce, getting all my ground. I told my cousin Trey Low, don't be surprised, cause a lot of these hoes out here, they go fire. And they love fucking with a big dog. I watch her hit the ball, couple snaps, I spin it all. She hit me, yeah, now I flip her through the sound. I'm a ball, I'm a hog, call me a big dog. I'ma treat her like a dog, beat her like a dog, beat her to my dog, they gon' knock out my walls. I'm a ball, I'm a hog, call me a big dog. I'ma treat her like a dog, beat her like a dog, beat her to my dog, they gon' knock out her walls. I'm a dog, I'm a hog, call me a big dog.
I'm young, have not. I'm defined as a real nigga with split and bread, get a have not, I'ma go. This nigga, so don't get hit up, that plastic 40 gon' spit up them bullets, coming to fuck shit up. My block be full of gorillas, cause I ain't gonna get that shit for real. I keep it real, ain't no playing cause I'm about biz, better get it how you live. I bring it to your crib, I show you how it is on that south side with the Glen, Stack Jackson, big biz, blow dough and smoke out the winds, this shit coming out the pen, mobbed out in the drop top slab. Oh man, money, give me that, cause that's what I'm talking about. I'm a boss, I done took a couple losses in these streets, but I'm a G, and I ain't looking behind me. Bitch niggas, rest in peace, y'all deceased. I'm a beast, I'm 15, I be thugging, phone be clutching, no discussion, I'm straight busting, y'all amateurs. I'm an examiner, gotta lock me in the cage and say me down, cause I'm a big dog.
Ball, I'm a hog, call me a big dog. I'ma treat her like a dog, beat her like a dog, beat her to my dog, they gon' knock out her walls. I'm a ball, I'm a hog, call me a big dog. I'ma treat her like a dog, beat her like a dog, beat her to my dog.